answer. Yeah, I tried to fit in your box of pink Barbie dolls. Found I still couldn't win them all.
I kinda miss being young, dumb and naive, cause I don't realize growing up and what it seems. So now I just live for today, and if I make a couple mistakes,